everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video we are going to see Class 4 English Unit 2 The Little Fir Tree. We are going to see the story, new words from this chapter and textbook solutions. This is a story about Shetty the magician and the little fir tree. The magician granted 4 wishes for the tree. It did not like its needle-like leaves. First it wishes for green leaves, and goat came ate all green leaves. Then it wishes for gold leaves, and man stole all the gold leaves. Then it asked for glass leaves, but the glass leaves broke when the wind blew. Again it wishes for its own needle-like leaves, and it was happy with it. We'll see the story now. The Little Fir Tree. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. "Thank you, you have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them," said the magician. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nest on it. So it said, "I wish I had green leaves like my other friends." Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves." When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. "How happy I am," it said. "A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead." Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. "How happy I am," it said. At night, the wind blew. All the glass leaves broke. "Oh dear," said the fir tree, "I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm." The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needle back again. "Oh, I never was so happy," said the little fir tree. So first it's asked for green leaves, then gold leaves, then glass leaves, and then it was happy. Have you all guessed what is the moral of the story? Yes, be happy with what you have. Kids should have this thinking to be happy with what they have. Think positive and always be thankful for what you have, and don't compare your life with others, so that you will be happy with what you have. Next, new words. Pretty meaning is pleasing to the eye. Anything that is pleasing to the eye. It can be a flower, human being, or a doll, or a dress. Anything which is pleasing to the eye, we call that as pretty. Needles, a small tiny object used for sieving. Leaves, part of a plant. It is a plural form of leaf. Gold, a yellow precious metal. Stole, to take something without the permission of its owner. It is the past tense of steal. Next, reading is fun. Tick the correct answer. The pretty little fir tree was happy with its gold leaves, but a man stole them. Next, the fir tree was sad because it had needle-like leaves. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because a man stole them. Next, word building. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. So whichever word is circled, you have to write the opposite word of that. So I carry a light bag to school every day. What is the opposite of light? Heavy. So I carry a heavy bag to school every day. So here next one is B. One opposite is lost. Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. The old man is foolish. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding u and or im. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. Next, Rita loved her dog Shiru. Every day Shiru would go out of the house and come back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Shiru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she returned home. When she reached home, she got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Give the opposites of the words in blue. So first word is loud. You have to write hated. Go out, come out. Come in, come, go. Everywhere, nowhere. Down, up. Lost, found. Nowhere, everywhere. Laughing, crying, laughing. Happy, sad. Let's rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. So here a passage is given, you have to rewrite using capital letters. Where you have to write capital letters is, you have to start the sentence with capital letter. Naming words or place should be in capital letters. We'll see. One Saturday, O is capital, Amarjit is capital, and his little sister Rani, R is capital, went for a picnic India Gate. I capital, G capital. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj, R capital in Raj. Next, oh dear, said the fir tree. Oh dear, you have to make double quotes. O is exclamatory. You have to mark exclamatory there. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them. You have to put full stop. Next, let's talk. Here a picture is given. Few questions are asked based on this picture. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. See here in the yellow box they have written ducks, mat, dog, girl, boy, tree, fountain, flowers. Some of them you can see in the picture, the other 2 you cannot see. Write down the 4 things that you can see. They are asking us to write the things that you can see. Here you can see the duck, yellow color duck, and mat is visible. Dog, you can see the dog. Next, girl. So 4 things you can see. Next, look at the picture again. Describe the picture. The ducks are swimming in the pond. The girl is pointing towards a small bird. The boy is looking at the small bird. A bird is sitting near the mat. Next, fun time. Ajit loved flowers. He always wanted to have a garden for himself. Mohan, his friend, gave him an idea. He said, "Why we can have a garden in a dish." Haha, Ajit laughed. A garden in a dish? Yes, dish gardens are tiny gardens planted in a shallow dish. We must first put sand, manure and pebbles in a dish, plant very tiny plants in it and place the dish on the windowsill. So this is how dish meaning is you can take a bowl which is in the kitchen. So take a bowl, put the sand first and then manure and pebbles on it, and you can place tiny plants and place the bowl or the dish on the windowsill. Glass breaks easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books, or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can break easily. So you have to circle. Glass spoon will break easily, and your mud flower pot will break easily. Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? Actions that make happy are respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, being honest. And actions that make people unhappy are not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. So these are actions that make happy and unhappy. Let's listen, read and write. There was a thick jungle with beautiful green trees and birds. Koel was singing happily. Suddenly she heard someone crying. It was a friend, the peacock. She flew to him and asked. So this black bird is Koel. It was singing happily. Suddenly she heard someone crying. It was a friend, Peacock. So Koel asked, "Why are you crying?" Peacock said, "I hate myself. I have such ugly feet." Some things that make you feel happy, some things make you feel sad. Write a poem on the picture. So, what are the things that make you feel happy? You have to write. Like when you get new toys, when you play, when you go out, you become happy. When you will become sad, when you miss someone, when you don't get what you like, that time you might feel sad. Let's make a word tree. See the first picture. Take a paper, long green sheet of paper or newspaper. Roll it like this as given in step 1. Next, as given in step 2, hold it and cut it 4 slits from top to halfway down the roll. Next, as given in step 3, bend the section which you have cut. Next, as given in step 4, pull out carefully and slowly from the center to make branches. This is how you should make a tree. Write words related to leaves on the trees and make a word tree. So you have to write words related to leaves on the tree. So you can write chloroplast, twigs, tomato, leaflet, green, photosynthesis, or whichever you like. Those words you can write and make sentences with these words. Example, chloroplast is the organ for conducting photosynthesis. Twigs are thin branch of a tree. Stomata is found in epidermis of leaves or stems. So that's all here for chapter 4, that is unit 2, the little fir tree. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Please do comment and share this video. Thank you.